I also understand that you have a course over internet. So is it possible to teach these things over internet? Do they understand it if they don't actually see you?
Yeah, it's very successful. Here's
Ja
the
tõepoolest on
URL.
vägagi edukas.
www.backtohome.com.
Nii et see aadress on www.backtohome.com.
BACKTOHOME.com.
Ja see on back to home, BACKTOHOME.com.
I have thousands of students all over the world,
Ja mul
in
on
over
tuhanded
100
õpilasi
countries.
üle 100 riigis.
And I give personal instruction through the internet to any
Ja
students who
interneti
want it.
kaudu ma siis juhendan inimesi isiklikult, kõiki, kes seda soovivad.
And it's free, there's no charge.
Ja see on tasuta ka, siin ei ole mingit tasu
Ma
sellega
just tahtsin küsida, et see kindlasti maksab midagi, et see ei saa ju päris tasuta olla, aga on tasuta, jah?
So that was my next question actually. I was sure it will cost something, but so it's completely free.
Yes,
Ja
it's
see on
completely free.
täiesti tasuta.
We're maintained just by people give donations. They like what we're doing. We don't
Inimestele
charge any
meeldib see,
money.
mida me teeme,
People
kuna
say,
me
"I'd
raha
like
ei
to
võta,
donate
siis
to
inimesed
what
ütlevad,
you're
et nad tahavad
doing." So we just
annetada
live by
meile raha,
donations,
nii et
that's
nendest annetustest me siis ka elame.
We don't ever charge a fee.
Me kunagi tasu ei võta selle töö eest.
Miks te Eestis käite?
Why do you come to Estonia?
Well, it's a long story, but
Tegemist on väga pika looga tegelikult.
I introduced this course on the internet back in
Mul oli
2003.
internetikursus aastal 2003, millega ma siis algust tegin.
And one lady in Helsinki, she was
Ja üks
she signed up for my
naisterahvas
course and she
Helsingis
invited me
ühines
to
selle
come
kursusega
to
ja ta
Helsinki and
kutsus
she
mind
arranged some
Helsingisse.
lectures for me in
Ja ta
Helsinki.
korraldas siis, et mõningad loengud minu jaoks Helsingis.
And while I was here, somehow someone in Tallinn heard that I
Ja
was in
keegi Tallinnas
Helsinki
kuulis
and they
seda, ma olen
invited me to
Helsingis
come
ja nad
to
kutsusid
Estonia.
mind Eestisse.
So I didn't come on that visit, but the next time I
Ma
came
seekord ei jõudnud
to
siia, aga järgmine kord, kui ma
Finland, then
Soome
I
läksin,
came to Estonia
siis ma
because they
tulin ka
very
Eestisse,
enthusiastically
sest nad
invited
olid
me to
väga
come.
entusiastlikud ja nad tõesti tahtsid, et ma tuleksin.
And I've been coming ever since.
Ja ma olen sellest saadik siin käinud pidevalt.
I come twice a year to Europe.
Ma
and every
käin
time I
siin
come to
2 korda
Estonia.
aastas. 2 korda aastas Euroopas, iga kord tulen Eestisse.
I fly into Helsinki.
Ma tavaliselt lendan
I take
Helsingisse,
lecture there, then I take
siis
the
mul on seal
boat
loeng, siis tulen
across
laevaga
the Gulf
üle Soome lahe.
here, and then I spend about a week here.
Ja
and
siis
then I
ma
go
olen
to
siin umbes nädal
Riga,
aega, seejärel lähen Riiga,
Lithuania and
edasi
Kaliningrad.
Leedusse, siis Kaliningradi
And then I fly out of Riga back to the US.
ja siis Riiast lendan Ameerika Ühendriikidesse.
Lõpetuseks. Meid vaatavad päris paljud inimesed ja mida öelda ühele inimesele, kuidas peaks üks päev või hommik tulema? Mida hommikul esimese asjana peaks teie arvates tegema?
Now to conclude, we have a lot of people looking at us who are just waking up. So what do you think what they should do for the start of the day? What's the first thing they should start the day with?
The best thing one can do is chant
Kõige
the holy
parem
names
asi
of God.
on järjest lugeda Jumala pühasid nimesid.
If you're a Christian, you can
Kui
chant
te
the name of
olete
Christ.
kristlane, siis te võite öelda Jeesuse
If
nime.
you're a Muslim, you
Kui
can
te
chant the
olete
name of
moslem,
Allah.
siis võite öelda Allahi nime.
We chant these particular names.
Ja-
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Niimoodi alustame meie.
These are the names of God in Sanskrit language.
Need on sanskriti keeles Jumala nimed.
Just like the sun is called the same thing.
Nii
It
et
has
samamoodi
different
nagu
names in different
päikesel on
languages.
erinevad nimed erinevates
But it's the
keeltes,
same one sun.
siis tegemist on tegelikult ikka sama ühe päikesega.
So similarly, there is only one
Nii et
God.
samal viisil on olemas tegelikult ainult
Whether
üks
we say
Jumal.
Christ,
Hoolimata
whether we
sellest,
say
kas me ütleme
Allah, whether
Kristus
we
või
say
Allah
Krishna,
või ütleme
there is still
Krishna.
that one supreme being who is
Tegemist
the
on
Father
ikkagi
of us
ühe
all.
ülema olendiga, kes on meie kõikide isa.
So every morning we could
Nii et
call
iga
out to
hommik
that one
me
supreme
peaksime
Father
alustama sellega, me
and
ütleme
beg
tema
him to
nime
please engage us this day
ja
in his
paluma teda,
service.